Hi, my artist friends. How you people are doing? I'm well, and hope you people are also in good health. So, I'm very happy and grateful to you all people that you people are liking my videos and enjoying my videos. Many of you have written that you people are enjoying. So, I'm quite excited and I'm really thankful to God that I have got a watercolor family like you people, and uh, as you people are enjoying, I am also motivated to paint more and more. And welcome to my world of watercolor. As I see the world in watercolor, I hope you people also, those who are the watercolor lovers, they also see the world and imagine that as I see the world in watercolor, you people also see the world in watercolor. Then only you can improve. And wherever you go, wherever you travel, you just see everything in watercolor and just imagine that how it looks if it is painted in watercolor. So today my painting is all about art of living. Yes, art of living. It is not LIVING, it is LEAVING. Living means leaving the space, yes. In a painting, there is a beauty in water. There is a beauty in what you call it is blank paper. So there is a technique in which if you leave the blank spaces in the painting, it will look more beautiful. So in this painting I am going to demonstrate that I have actually left many of the spaces, blank spaces in the painting, so that it looks beautiful. Hope you people enjoy my painting, and if you like my painting, if you like my work, please share it to others, and please do not share it to others, or please do not do not share it if you yourself do not like my painting, because there is no point in spending time with the things which you do not like. You may refer to other artists channel also, but if you like my channel, then please share it to others, and please leave your comment. You like, your dislikes, or how can I go ahead with my painting journey. So thank you very much, and hope you will enjoy my today's painting. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Thanks. Hi everyone, hope you people are enjoying my painting. So as I said, today's painting is all about art of living. Art of living, as I said, it is LEAVING, means the space you are living as a white paper. So this is a hut basically at a lonely place where it is surrounded by a green, all greeneries. So as I said that today, and this is my village scape series, where I will just finish my village paintings, then I will jump to some other topics as per your recommendation. So thank you very much for supporting me. So this is the tree I am going to paint, and as I said, I enjoy throwing watercolor on the paper. So this is how I am just playing with colors. and I am using here permanent yellow, then permanent yellow, lemon yellow with a small amount of sap green, and as red is the complementary color of green, so I am using a little bit of red and brown in order to create the shadow effect of the tree. So this is the beauty of watercolor. You never know that what will be the output of this painting. Even you are seeing the colors what I am using, it's it's more about intuitive, it's not logical. It means it comes from automatically to your mind which color to use and which color not to use, and if I use this color it will look beautiful. So those things automatically comes with practice. So please subscribe my channel if you really like, and share it to others also. So this is this is the first I am going to draw the tree, I mean paint the tree, so that so there are many techniques in which some people used to paint the whole page with the very first layer, the very light layer. See, even I also do that, but in this painting I thought of doing some it's differently. So that is why I am trying to more focused on the tree and bushes. So that is why I am trying to make it differently. And as you see, I am applying some lemon yellow with a very light, very tiny amount of sap green, and at the bottom part I am just using little bit of crimson with brown and then sap green in order to show the shadow part. There is a spattering I am doing. There are, it is also a very beautiful technique to create the effect, interest in the painting. See, I am using different brushes for different applications, as you can see. Today I am using a Chitrapat paper with 270 GSM, and the paint I am using is a Camlin artist quality paint, which you can easily get it in India, and it's not very costly, it's a very cheap one, and you can buy it from any stationery shop who keeps the art supplies. So some little bit of using gamboge at some of the places to create more interest and variation. Hope you people are enjoying my painting. And today today is I think ninth video in which I have explained the painting, and this is I am applying water at some of the places to create the watercolor effect, wet on wet. So these are the shadow parts. So you can see when I will apply the second layer, it all goes, it will fade away and create a very beautiful watercolor effect. So I am using little bit of sap green, then hooker's green, then violet. So I am using different color at different place. Here I am using sap green. You can see with a very little amount of lemon yellow, then now I've just used Hooker's green, and here I am applying little bit of orange and gamboge. Then I am patterning with Hooker's green with little bit of brown. So many people have requested to show the palette. I will definitely show, but I do not have such arrangements to show everything. But yes, slowly as you people like my painting, as the channel grows, I will definitely meet all your expectations. So this is the tree in front of the hut. When you do some painting at the initial stage, you never know that how it will look like when you finish it, but you please keep on doing till the end. Unless you do it till end, you will not be knowing the what will be the outcome of the painting. So these are the covering the hut with a very it's a dark tone. To show my focal point clearly. Please do subscribe my channel if you really like, and if you do not like, I will request you not to waste time, because if you do not like, then there is no meaning of spending time. So if you really like, and please subscribe to my channel and share it to others, so that everybody can get benefit from my channel, and leave your comment on the comment box. So this is the hut. Actually I am just trying to create the variation. So I have applied some scarlet lake with yellow ochre, then little bit of brown burnt sienna with some amount of violet. I do not use black color because it everybody says that it creates the painting dull, but I don't think so. I don't know why I don't like to use black color, but I have seen many good artists, great artists also use black color, white color, everything, but it should not be more than 10 to 15% of your watercolor, because it loses the transparency in the color in the painting. So if you want to create interest and bright looking painting, then you should try to avoid. I am not saying that you do not use it, but try to use as minimum as possible black and white. So that is what my request is. But you can try with you can experiment it, and you never know, if you use white and black color. I have seen very many of the artists, they use fluent in many places, they use white and black everywhere, but it is not that there is a rule. There is no rule in watercolor as per my knowledge, because all are man-made, created, and the techniques by which you can make the painting more beautiful is your law or rule, you can think. Because for example, in western countries they use very dull colors. If you see, they use very dull color, and I don't know what color they use, but those are, I think, natural colors. Sometimes they say they use Daniel Smith and all those colors, but I don't know. But for Indian artists, I think yeah, Camlin is the best artist quality. Yeah, so you can create wonders with Camlin artist watercolor. It's a value for money. So hope you are enjoying my painting, and see, I am already finished and just giving the final touch of the painting, and I will not take much more time. Then I am just leaving you people to enjoy the painting, and if you have any comments, anything, so please share it to me. I will definitely try to improve and meet your expectation. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you all. Thanks.